The next search and seizure decision we're going to discuss comes from the state of Ohio, State versus Dunlap. This case was decided by the Supreme Court of Ohio on October 9th of 2024. A police officer pulled over a car because he had information that the car's owner had a suspended driver's license. But when he walked up to the car, the officer realized that the car was not being driven by its owner. The officer asked the driver for his license and discovered that he also did not have a valid driver's license. Ultimately, an illegal firearm was found in the vehicle, and the driver and a passenger were arrested. The trial court denied the defendant's motion to suppress the evidence found in the car, leading to their no contest pleas. The 11th District Court of Appeals reversed the trial court's decision, ruling that the officer had no reasonable suspicion to continue the stop after realizing the driver was not the car's owner. The court held that the evidence obtained from the continued detention should be suppressed. On appeal, the Supreme Court of Ohio reversed the 11th District's decision. The court held that under United States Supreme Court precedent, specifically Rodriguez v. United States, an officer who has lawfully initiated a traffic stop may make ordinary inquiries necessary to complete the mission of the stop, including confirming that the driver has a valid driver's license. The court concluded that the officer did not violate the Fourth Amendment by asking the driver for his license after realizing the driver was not the car's owner. So let's talk about this a little bit, a takeaway from this decision. You may recall back in 2020, Kansas versus Glover, the decision from the United States Supreme Court, held that when an officer observes a vehicle owned by a person with a revoked or suspended license, that this alone could create the requisite reasonable suspicion to support a stop of the vehicle unless other facts negated the inference that the owner was the driver. In Rodriguez versus United States, a very important decision from 2015, the Supreme Court said that a traffic stop cannot be extended for a non-mission related activity. This case combines both of these important Supreme Court decisions. Once the stop has been made, at least in Ohio, you can still demand a license from the driver even if he is clearly not the owner without having a Rodriguez rule violation.